Good morning, kids! Hello, we're back again. I am Miss Tika.
And I am Miss Umul.
So for today, we will make traffic light snacks.
Wow!
Are you ready?
What is that, Miss?
First, we have cookies.
Cookies.
And then we have paste, cheese paste.
Cheese paste. Who likes cheese?
And then we have colorful chocolate chips. And then, if you don't eat chocolate or allergic to chocolate, you can use fruits. Here I have apple, banana, and guava. So how to make it, Miss?
First, I would like to show you how to make the chocolate version of traffic light snack first. So prepare the cookie first. And then take the cheese paste and spread it over the cheese. You can use the knife if you want to. Wow, looks so yummy.
Okay.
And then choose the yellow chocolate chip first. You put it over here
In the middle.
in the middle. And then the green one, you have to put it
At the
at
bottom.
the bottom. And then the last one is the red one. You have to put it on the top like this.
Wow! So
Ta-da!
done.
This is the chocolate traffic light snack.
Wow! So yummy.
Now the fruit version will be explained by Miss Chika.
Okay, so I will explain how to make the fruit version, the healthier one. And it's the same, so you just need to put the paste.
Do you like the cheese paste?
Yes, I like cheese. On top of the cookies and spread it with a knife for better results. Okay, after you spread it enough, and then you put some fruits on top of it. Yes, so first I will put the red light. Red means
Red
you
means you have to stop.
stop. And then after that is the yellow. Yellow means you have to
Move slowly.
And the last one is the green
Green
one.
one.
For green, you can just move. Okay, so this is the rainbow
looks so
traffic light snack.
yummy.
Yes, the colorful one.
Ta-da!
So here it is. Who is ready to make it? Okay. So that's all.
For today, I hope you enjoy our video and don't forget to eat healthy ya.
See you next time.
See you next
kids.